Nze sina kyembeetaagako nze nga Zawedde Juliet. Buli kimu nkiina. I work for the federal government and state. I own about 50 transportation cars. My company makes over 20 million a year. We man akwagala ne nkuyamba ng'omuntu and I sponsored you, it was out of love and kindness. Naye wokola ebikolobero in the public, abantu ne banvuma because of you, that's a no-no. I'm a married woman with children. I respect myself. Abaana bange bayinza okuba tebategeera Luganda oba tebalwogera, but someday they might get to understand what people are saying. Ebintu bye banteekawo ku social media tebirivaako, bisigalako. Muwulira, mundeke, simanyi kuyomba, simanyi kukola ntalo. I'm just an innocent soul who is down to earth. Temunkabya maziga because you're making my life miserable. Enough is enough. Please, enough is enough. Take me out of your kiddish, stupid battles. Married money, I lived a good life. The Montega social media, Yambo no Yamboli, Katifuse mediocre. That's not what I signed up for. Abantu amba tusanga mu America 25 years ago tulibadde wano. Azza disorganizing the kyalo kyonna mbikoye. Kale, I'm not going to retaliate. Nze sigula abantu kola chaos to making peace. Tuli banna Uganda tuyina ennaku twagala okuyambagana. Waliwo abaana batalina school fees, waliwo abatalina mmere. Neffe tugezaako okuyamba ngi put us down. Mulowooza tuwulira tutya? Abana Uganda tulemye okukulaakulana because we don't appreciate anybody. Simanyi kuyomba. Bw'oba bajja mu America nga tolina kyoliko ng'onoonya kubeera wanabbi ogenda ku Uganda kweragalaga. Ebyo bye mwagala ebyonoonese. Oluvaawo tubonaabona Uganda is bleeding. You make it bleed because of your freaking manners. Excuse my language. I'm upset. Very upset. And people blowing up my phone. Oh, Bichi, what's happening? What's happening? Because they are concerned. Please, let's install love. I love you, and I always love you. Bagalanyo, thank you for taking the time to listen to me. But I am heartbroken. Don't you forget that. But I love you.